What?
Playing with mud is so much fun. Hey, stop. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
Aha!
Where is the water hose? Here I come. I will catch you. Run, run, run.
Yeah!
Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Playing with mud is so much fun. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Playing with mud is so much fun.
Fantastic!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Finally, the house is clean. Ouch! My foot!
She said yes! She said yes, Sue! We're going on a date!
What? Who are you talking about, Sammy?
I'm going on a date with Elsa herself! I've never been on a date before, Sue. I'm so nervous.
It's good that I know how to calm down your nerves. Let's go! I suggest we make a slime. It will help you relax. And we are going to start with this beautiful blue glitter. It's so pretty! Do you like it?
This looks amazing! But I have something to add too! Here you go!
What a great idea, Sammy! Let's do this! What a beautiful color. Excellent choice.
Hey, Sue! I brought you a brush to mix the glitter. Here, take it!
Why, thank you. You're so thoughtful. Now let's spread our glitter really well. Wow, it's so shimmery. I absolutely love it. Would you just look at this heart locket? And what do we have? Oh, wait a minute. It's our Elsa.
What? Elsa, is that really you? Oh, I miss her so much.
Sorry, we need this for the craft. Let's put our Elsa over here. And put some snowflakes right next to her. She is the queen of snow, after all. Also, let's add these beautiful pearls. I'm going to put in as many as I can, because we have a lot of them. Hey, what's inside this purse? Shall we check it out together? Wow, these are Elsa-style pink blushes. That's just what we need! Let's break them into crumbs so we can add them to our slime too! Alright, now let's add this blush. Here we go, pour it all in. This pink color fits perfectly! Now it's time to spread the blush onto the slime. Oh, and what is this box? It's Elsa's friend. It's nice to meet you.
Elsa has a friend? Then I'm gonna call Roger. We all go together on a double date and I won't be so nervous.
Oh, Sammy, don't worry so much. I'm sure your date will go great. The most important thing on a date is that you get to know each other better. We need to add more slimes. Just look at them. Let's start with the blue one. I want it to go right here. Pink slime, it's your time. And I've got the perfect place for you. And now it's purple's turn. Come on, don't be shy. That's it. Last but not least, let's mix it well first. You've been waiting for us, haven't you, buddy? You've lost your pull, but we're going to fix that.
Sue, I need advice. Do you think Elsa would like it if I gave her this eyeshadow palette?
I think Elsa would like the flowers better. Plus, we kind of need these for our craft.
Oh, well, now I have to go find flowers.
Good luck, Sammy. In the meantime, we'll quickly mix up everything here to add to our slime. We'll mix everything together at the end anyway, so feel free to pour it all in at once. And let's continue with the second part of the palette. Scratch, scratch, scratch! Oh, yeah. Now we can sprinkle the second half of the eyeshadows into our mix. Oh, check out this beautiful pearl shimmering slime I found. It looks just like the moon. I want to add it as well. Let's put it right here in the corner. It is so squishy and soft. Now, let's check out what's in my trusty glitter box. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Well, nothing's too good for Sammy. Let's add everything we've got. I also have liquid glitter in different colors. Let's take a look. Oh, this blue looks wonderful. The silver one reminds me of a snowstorm. And the pink one is simply so cute, our slime will be very pretty. Let's add more slimes. First, I want to take the pink one. Here we go. You are going right here, next to Elsa's friend. This color suits her very well, right? We have a spot for the blue one in the corner, too. And the purple slime fits right in here. Just what we need.
Sue, do you think Elsa would like this hat?
It's not even a hat, Sammy. It's clay, and it's gonna blend right in with the texture of our slime. Let's stretch it out a little better. And add it into the mix. Oh yeah, it's perfect.
How about this one then? It's the latest trend.
No way! You are wearing this only over my expired fashion degree. Let's use it for our craft instead. This is where this clay belongs. I found another box with a Christmas tree. Look, it's Elsa's other friend. Hi, nice to meet you. We have just the place for you and for all your charms. It's a sequins rain.
Ugh, I'm so nervous. I hope the ice cream will calm me down. Hey!
Wait, Sammy, I think there's something inside it. Wow, so beautiful. This is just what we need. Let's pour out these snowflakes over here, next to Elsa. All the girls are here now. Whoa, did you see that? The glitter is shimmering so pretty. Look what a soft heart purse I have here. You just want to squeeze it all the time. It's so cute. Let's take a look inside. Wow, it's another eyeshadow palette. Such lovely colors. Friends, you know what to do to add these shadows to our slime. First, my favorite color, pink. And now, the white pearlescent one. It is so crumbly. Pink and white, what a nice match. Now it's time for purple. And violet. Let's mix them well. We'll sprinkle them in the purple corner, right here.
Wow! Sue, what are you making here? A lasagna? Ouch! Oh, ouch! Ugh. Sue, what is that?
It's clay, Sammy. Let's add it to our slime to make the texture more stretchy and soft to the touch. But first, let's give it a good squashing so it will easily blend into the slime. Here we go. Let's not forget the other colors as well. And now the lip gloss. Let's add it to our clay for some extra glow. We're gonna use this tiny little spatula. I'll just spread it right on top of the clay in a thick layer. Here we go. Let's get some more snowflakes in here too.
I have an urgent business trip. Tell Elsa I'm sorry.
Hold on, stop making things up. And don't worry, your date with Elsa will go just great, trust me. Oh, look what we have here! It's a whole makeup set. There are eyeshadows and glitter and blush. Awesome! The pink lip gloss goes first, so shiny and shimmering. We'll spread it over the pink clay, just like we did with the blue clay. Here's a lighter shade of pink. We'll use it too. This looks delicious, like it's a strawberry ice cream. Yum yum! And here we have a purple lip gloss. So cool! Let's add it to the bunny charm. He's sitting on the purple clay. Oh, we have a lot of eyeshadows here. I can't pick just one. Let's take them all at once. Amazing, right? Now it's time to pour it all out onto our clay. Nice!
When is it gonna be ready, Sue? I'm so stressed out!
Wait a little bit longer. There's just one last step left.
Okay, but please hurry.
Brr, it's so cold! I can feel the blizzard blowing! Do you hear it too, friends? Let's decorate everything with snowflakes. Our Sammy needs to chill. So let's not spare the snowflakes and sprinkle them all out. Woohoo! Friends, just look at this shiny and shimmering beauty we've got. There are snowflakes and sparkles and Elsa and her friends. What else could you possibly want? We're going to make the greatest slime ever.
We're ready to squash! Yippee!
Okay, Sue, you can do this. Are you with me, friends? Let's start with this edge. And in the middle, wow, it's so stretchy. We won't hold back. Let's give it a real workout. Seriously, it is so nice to the touch. This is the squishiest slime I've ever made. I really outdid myself this time. Sammy's gonna be impressed. What have we got here? Oh, it's a bunny. That's so sweet. Let's knead it even better.
Wow, it looks so squishy. Make way, Sue. Here I come. You're right, Sue. It's very relaxing. I don't worry about a thing. Oh no! Sue, I'm stuck. Help me, please. Is this really how Sam's story ends? Phew, thanks. I've calmed down now, and I'm ready to go on that date. Sammy, are you here? Hi! I've been waiting for you. Don't be shy. Come on in. Oh, Sammy. Is all this just for the two of us? Yes! I also made a whole pot of food for you and me.
Dinner is served, Your Majesty. There you go.
That looks exotic. What is it? Oh, well,
That's a slime. Sam worked on it all day to impress you. Look.
Wow, I love slimes. Can I knead it too, please?
Knock yourself out.
Whoa, it's so squishable. I've never seen such a cool slime before. Sammy, I didn't know you were so talented. This slime is fantastic. Thank you, Elsa. Friends, if you also like slimes, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!
Some sticky tape, a piece of tin foil, a glue stick, an old lid, a foam letter, and a piece of ribbon. Now, do you think it's possible to make one of these in just 1 minute? No way! Oh, well, I think I can. Now, we're going to have to be very quick, but don't worry, everyone. I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Are you ready? Yeah! Great! Are you ready? Brilliant. Let's make it in a minute! 3, 2, 1! Stop the clock! Right, the first thing we're going to do is get our old lid and our foam letter and stick them together by putting on a lot of glue like that. And I can press the letter on top. Now we're going to get our tin foil and very carefully scrunch it up and then open it up again. Now this gives it an old-fashioned look. I can wrap it around the lid like that, scrunch it into the back. There we go. And then, if we turn it over, you can start very carefully pushing down around the foam letter, and you can see that the letter underneath starts to come through. That's looking good. There it is. Yeah, it's looking good. Now, if I turn this over and get our ribbon, I can stick it on the back with some sticky tape. Sticky tape there. That's it. A bit there. And then a bit of sticky tape there as well. That's just about stuck. There, I made it. Another successful minute make. And if you've got more than a minute, you can make as many maker medals as you like. This one's got a number 1 on it, and it's made with some very nice orange foil. This one's got a star on it and some gold foil. You can even make a smiley face medal like this one here. Phew, I think that's enough, even for a brilliant artist like myself. Maker medals made in a minute. Why don't you have a go? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Glue a foam letter onto a plastic lid and then crinkle some foil. Then wrap it around the letter and lid. Stick a ribbon onto the back with sticky tape. And your maker medal is finished.
Why don't you try and make one in a minute? Bye! Now, where to next?
Hello, Mr. Maker.
Oh, nice to see you.
What do you think we're making today?
Oh, I'm not sure. Let's take a look.
I'm green. I am red. I am brown. I like blue. I am Ori. It's a hot air balloon.
Well done, everyone. See you soon. Now get ready for something brilliant.
Shh, it's time for a big surprise.
Let's meet some more mini makers who don't know I'm on my way.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Maker.
Hello, how are you? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's brilliant to meet you. Now, you look brave. You're not scared of anything, are you?
No.
Not even creepy crawlies?
No.
I'm not either. Oh, it's just you, Sid. Hello. Goodbye. Actually, I really like creepy crawlies, and I've got a big idea. I think we should make a big spider. Will you help me?
Yes.
Fantastic. All right then, Edie, Liam, Charles, Naomi, and Jean, let's make it. Now, we're going to make a spider, aren't we? What should our spider look like?
We're gonna have ball ears.
Ball ears? That's a great idea. Now, how many legs does a spider have?
5, 6, 8.
Brilliant! Should we make a web as well? What can we make our web out of?
String.
String, that would be good. Should we make it?
Yeah.
I think we're ready. Let's make it. This way, follow me. This is our spider's body. So let's cover it in fun fur, everyone. Come on, that's it. I said cover the spider's body, not my head. Come on, let's go. Let's wrap the spider.
And then sit down on it.
And then sit down on it. Right, there we go. Is that a comfy spider?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Now let's make the other parts of the spider.
We're making our spider's legs.
Spider's legs are furry.
I'm making spider's eyes.
Making our big spider is great fun. So how about you try making a little one yourself?
Try making your own furry little spider. Make it, play with it, have fun with it. You'll need some pipe cleaners, some glue, a brush, pom-poms, and some googly eyes. First, take 4 pipe cleaners and put them in a star shape. Now twist them together like this. Add gloopy glue to the middle of the star shape. And stick on your pom-pom body. Turn your spider over and stick another pom-pom on the other side. Bend the spider's legs like this. And last of all, glue on googly eyes. Well done! You've made a funny, furry spider.
What a super way to make a small spider. Well, I wonder how our big spider's coming along. Oh, yes, he looks great.
Now our spider needs somewhere to live.
I'm making stepping stones.
And don't forget, our spider needs a web.
Good boy, Liam, that's it. Oh, no, I'm stuck. Oh, pull. Oh, no, actually, no, I'm not. Thank you very much, Liam, thank you. Nearly finished. There we go. Well done, everyone. We made it! Yay!
Wow, that's a monster of a spider.
Mr. Maker, time to go!
Oh, that's it for now. My making time's over, but yours is just beginning. It's time to put the Maker-mobile back in its box.